Welcome to the BridgeWorks tutorial for a dynamic where clause. This tutorial will build off the concept of creating a dynamic query. If you are not sure what a dynamic query is, I recommend checking out our dynamic query video or article in the description below. In this tutorial, we cover the process of setting up a parameter that leverages a where clause inside the dynamic query. To get started, I'm going to first open and run my view. This will allow me to compare the parameter prior to adding the where clause. Right now I'm returning employee IDs 1 through 9. Next, I'm going to go into the parameters section and select the dynamic query that is returning the employee ID. I'm going to add my where clause to the dynamic query to only return employee IDs greater than or equal to 5. To do this, I just add where employee ID greater than or equal to 5. Now I'm going to verify the changes made to my dynamic query by running the view again and comparing the parameter selection. I can now only select employee ID 5 through 9 because the where clause inside the dynamic query returns results greater than or equal to 5.
For more tutorials or information about VDM, check out the links in the description.